Ah, yeah. Um. Today I'm gonna be teaching you guys on how to create websites using xampp. So before we proceed, you have to go online, then download what we call xampp. Like it is on my screen now. This is called xampp. It's an app that you should download it. After downloading it, then you go online and search for what WordPress, because with WordPress you will not get you access to it. Remember, when creating website, after buying domain name, you have to host it. Without the hosting, that means the site is not well recognized. So we have so many software that I can use to host, but examples of them is WordPress that we all know about. So let's start by installing this xampp. I've already downloaded it already, so it's now on my screen. So I'm gonna download it now by clicking twice on it. Okay, it's loading. Okay, you see a pop-up menu that shows, do you want to allow this? I will now say yes, let allow that. Okay, so I'm gonna click yes. I'm gonna click OK and click next and click next. I'm gonna click next again. And these are example of hosting companies. I'm gonna click yes. Okay, I'm gonna close this sheet. I'll click next. This xampp is the way that I can create websites locally on local host, but this local online will make you to know exactly whenever you go to online to create your website, this offline will give you the OT to that. So that's why. And actually, using this xampp, you can as well design your xampp. You can design your website offline, then after it you can upload it on your site. It's possible. So to what we are doing today, just to show you on how to create website using xampp. As you can see, it is loading, so let's wait. Is installing. It's a little big. Let's just wait to install. Okay, still installing. Installing. The reason why it's wasting time to do so is because there is a lot of heavy file that is there. That's why it's keeping us this long. So but after it you have installed those heavy files, it will see it will just go straight. Then when I go to the starting point, it's installing, as you can see. Wow, nice one. I'm gonna click allow access. Okay. Okay, here come to an end by clicking what finish. That means our xampp have already installed. And let's go to our WordPress being our host. Yeah, so after installing the xampp, I'm gonna share all these windows for you to click on start and start. Click allow again. Okay, without you clicking these two, that means you won't get access to the internet without you